Now, what is new in the latest Indian Standard Code IS 2131 2025, which is the code for standard penetration test of soil, the second revision. This standard was first published in the year 1963 and subsequently revised in 1981, in which very year the standardized split spoon sampler was first of all introduced. You can refer IS 9640 for that. The details of the correction factors necessary in calculation of bearing capacity were also added in the year 1981. In this latest code, the following major modifications have been incorporated: a clause on related terminology, defining the various terms used in the standard, provisions on SPT tools and equipment have been updated as per the current best practices prevailing all over the world. Donut hammer or safety hammer with auto trip mechanism and automatic SPT hammer have been specified to ensure consistent transfer of energy and minimize human errors. Refers figure 2A, 2B, 2C and 2D of this code can be referred for this very purpose. Requirements for sounding rods and hammer drop systems have also been included. Tolerances regarding to height of free fall and hammer weight have also been provided. Schematic arrangement of SPT equipment assembly has been illustrated, which has already been explained in my just published lecture number 121. For this you can refer figure 1 of the code. And finally, the provisions to measure the energy efficiency of the driving weight assembly have been incorporated for implementation in specific cases as per the project requirements. This was basically the main reason for revising this code. Refer clause 5.5.1 energy calibration and 5.6.2 due to hammer energy for this. Thank you very much.